Hey, my name is Talat. I'm an 18 years old solo traveler, and in this video we will go on a boating tour from Koh Phi Phi. We will visit the Maya Bay, Viking Cave, Monkey Beach, and every beautiful spot in the Phi Phi Islands. Come with me. I booked this trip at my hostel. Costed like 1,000 baht, around $25, and there is a guy who takes us to a boat. So yeah, currently we are walking, 3 people we are walking. Let's see where we go. This is our boat we are going with. So yeah, this is not a longtail boat this time. It's a huge speedboat with 3 engines, 3 Suzuki engines there. We're on the boat. Wow, so scenic. Looks very good. By that seat, we got drinks, soft drinks and water as well. We departed from Phi Phi Island from the ferry port. Let's see where will be our first stop. Wow, this is the cleanest and the most beautiful seawater I've ever seen. Look at here, wow. We came in between these 2 rocks, and where are the monkeys?
No monkey.
Yeah.
You monkey? I'm monkey? Yeah, same. What I used to be.
I put my phone into the phone case, but you know, we're not even in water. Now I will go in for a while because so clean. It's like crystal blue. Amazing. Guys, to be honest, I really don't know what's going on because we can't see monkeys. At the Rayleigh beach where it's much rarer, I saw monkeys, but not here. Interesting. But you know what? We still have the white sand and the crystal water, and it's beautiful. This master boat tour, we are very lucky because there are 8 or 9 people on the boat. We have a huge speedboat with 3 engines, and you know guys, I see other boats with full of people, but you know, we can enjoy ourselves. We have a lot of space. It's like nearly a private tour. Guys, waves are big, so the boat ride became an adventure park. We arrived to our next stop. I don't know which one is here. We will have snorkeling, I think. So yeah, very good. Here we have the snorkeling equipment. Let's pick one. We're here. This is our view. I'm standing at the front of the boat, and now I will jump in. 3, 2, 1. I have my snorkeling stuff on me. Let's eat this, and let's see what we can see. I'm going back to a boat. Here is, oh guys, so beautiful. Guys, I came out from the water and wow, it was so beautiful, and it's also so beautiful here. So I was swimming with like these yellow fishes. Wow, amazing. I hope the eclipse were good because wow, it was beautiful. Next stop, we arrived here. So this is a port on this island to get to the Maya Bay. The Maya Bay is the very famous, scenic, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. There was that Leonardo DiCaprio movie, The Beach. I really enjoyed that one. I watched it, so yeah, I can recommend watching that movie. It was so good. Yeah, actually. This is how our walk looks like to the Maya Bay. And you know guys, it's very interesting because a movie, a famous movie, and a famous person can make a place this popular. So the movie was coming out with 25 years ago, and look around, still crowded. You know, this is how people. Sorry, this is how. Okay, this is how a person or a movie can grow the economy of a place. Interesting. Check this out. So we can go to swim because there are baby sharks, and you know, if you watch the movie, you can remember to that moment when Leonardo DiCaprio met with a shark during he was swimming. Beautiful place, right? I think so. I think so. So yeah, let's do a quick analysis of this place, you know, because this is I don't know. Here in Thailand, every day I find a place where I say to you guys that, oh, this is the most beautiful place I've ever been. I think by now you will think that I'm lying, but you know, this is not the most famous place I've been to, okay? I'm saying this now. For analyzation, we have very clear, soft, white sand. We have clean crystal water where we can swim. We have not that many tourists because it's low season. Beautiful mountains around it. World famous place. And yeah, palm trees there. Wow. Actually, this is good. We have an hour here, so I have time to enjoy this place because it's amazing. They have food here on the island, fruits, the snacks, normal foods I think, ice cream and smoothies. You know, still not too expensive. $2.50 chicken nuggets with this view. Yo, okay, don't talk about this. This was the most expensive water I had in Thailand. The chicken nuggets price is wow, so cheap here with this view. Come on. You can see here that the foreigner entrance fee to the national park is 400 bahts. I paid in total thousands. I mean, nearly the half goes to the entrance fee, and only 60% goes to the boat, which is pretty weird. Guys, we were looking for snakes a few days ago, but now look at there. Wow. First time seeing a big snake like this. Personally, I'm amazed how perfectly they park their boats, longtail boats and the engine boats to these parking zones on this waving sea. With the boat stopped here, a place like this, here we can walk around and enjoy this beautiful view. Look around, how beautiful cliffs are around me. And I don't know which bay is it, but amazing. We're on a side quest to go out to that beach.
Don't bite me.
Here are small fishes, these, you know, these biting message fishes. Oh,
They are also biting you?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow, fish bited us. Here on my leg.
Yeah.
And here are rocks. Oof, one more. Oh, there, boy.
Bites me too.
Bites me too. We're getting closer. We're nearly out. Wow, look at this horse. We have to take care because here are rocks. Wow, look at this hidden beach. Amazing. Amazing. we're out. We are out to the jungle, amazing. Wow.
And guys, remember with the monkeys, don't smile at them.
Wow, we are back to the monkey beach because you know when we were here earlier we haven't seen monkeys. Now we have one. We have a monkey. Come on, let's check out. Let's check this out. We have the monkey here. Yes, come on. Monkey's eating pineapples. He was very aggressive. I was going there to take a few pictures with the monkey, and you know what? Tried to attack me, but I jumped off. Art went crazy tonight, so. I mean, the last monkey left us. He went back to the forest, to the jungle. But you know, art, and art. Everything what we need. It's dark enough. We were not able to see the sunset, but you know, no problem because it's amazing. Still amazing. Now we will sleep in planktons after it gets darker. Snorkeling, well, amazing. I just got the information that I will not be able to record the planktons because any light coming out from our devices can kill the whole experience. So I will enjoy, and you won't see anything. Sorry. So it was like I had to move my hand and like blew down the planktons were swimming in front of me. Amazing. You have to feel this. So this is something I can show you on camera, so you have to come. Leave Koh Phi Phi. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now I go to a very interesting destination again, Phuket. So yeah, see you from there. Subscribe to my channel because there are a lot more interesting contents coming out.